I'm Hansen. What's your name?
My name is Annie.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's go. Okay, is this your heart?
No, it isn't.
Was it?
It's shirt.
It's a shirt. Good. Is this your heart?
Yes, it is.
Good. Is this your dress?
Yes, it is.
It is.
It is.
Good. Is this your heart?
No, it isn't.
Was it?
It's t-shirt.
It's a t-shirt. Good. Okay. What are these?
These are my socks.
Socks. What are these?
These are my shoes.
What are these?
These are my shorts.
What are these?
These are my pants.
Pants. Good. What can you see?
I can see the
Bus.
bus.
What can you see?
I can see the boat.
What can you see?
I can see the motorbike.
Motorbike. Good. What can you see?
I can see the plane.
Good. Okay. Please read this.
Pick up your erasers. Pick up your rulers. Pick up the crayon. Pick up your pencil case.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Great. Give me 5. Good. Okay. What can you do?
I can count numbers.
What can you do?
I can sing songs.
Good. What can you do?
I can draw pictures.
What can you do?
I can spell words.
Great. Okay. What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday. What day is it today?
It's Sunday.
Okay. So, what do you do on Mondays?
I count numbers on Mondays.
What do you do on Wednesdays?
I sing songs on Wednesdays.
Good. What do you do on Thursdays?
I draw pictures on Thursdays.
That's a good job, okay? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teachers.
Great.